Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your buyer experience with Compass detailed guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your Compass account. Navigate to your dashboard to access the main features. Review the available tools that can enhance your buyer experience. Utilize the property search feature to find listings that meet your client's criteria. Set up filters to customize search results based on location, price range, and property type. Utilize the map view to visualize properties in relation to desired neighborhoods or amenities. With each listing, take advantage of the detailed property insights provided. Share relevant listings directly with your clients using the platform's sharing options. Encourage clients to save their favorite properties for easy access later. Leverage the Compass Collections feature to group similar properties your clients are interested in. Provide detailed notes within each collection to personalize the communication. Use the built-in communication tools to stay connected with buyers throughout their journey. Schedule showings directly through Compass to streamline the viewing process. After showings, follow up with your clients to gather feedback and address any concerns. Utilize Compass Analytics to track market trends and provide your clients with up-to-date information. Create personalized reports for your buyers to help them make informed decisions. Emphasize your commitment to transparency by providing comprehensive property histories. Assist clients in understanding the financial aspects of purchasing properties. Utilize the mortgage calculator tool available within Compass to help clients gauge affordability. Encourage clients to get pre-approved for financing early in the process. Foster relationships by sharing local market insights and community resources. Make the closing process smooth by preparing all necessary documentation in advance. Ensure consistent communication throughout all stages of the buying process. After closing, keep in touch to provide ongoing support and address any future questions. By following these steps, you'll significantly enhance the buyer experience with Compass. Stay tuned for more tips and best practices on real estate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.